What's up, guys? Figured I'd just introduce myself. I'm Justin. This is my page. If you're watching this, it's because you like racing and cars. So yeah, thanks for checking us out, and I'll do a little intro walk around for the cars. So this is the Daily. It's a 17 WRX. I don't really do much with it besides just drive around for work. Not much really done to it except for I got some M45 muffler deletes from Subi mods that I picked up. Simple setup, great fitment. Beyond that, not much else is really done to it. I'm going to be doing the DRL delete right now and an oil change. But yeah, so far it's been a great daily. Haven't done any power riders yet. Still getting 32 miles per gallon, and no complaints whatsoever. But I'll do a quick rev and then I'm going to get to some of the service work. Sounds pretty good, doesn't drone or anything, so that's awesome on the highway. Pretty simple interior. I'm used to the older WXs, which were pretty clanky and rattly, but so far seems pretty quality. I haven't had any noises. I'm 20,000 miles in so far. No issues, but got the old STI wheels for beater winter wheels. Gives it a nice look. It's just simple, perfect for a daily. Next video I'll show you the race car, which is a Forester, so stay tuned for that. And here is the Forester. Quite a bit done to it. I got WRX 4-piston, 2-piston calipers front and rear. It's the 2.5. There's a VF39 on it, along with a few other bits like STI top mount. For the interior, I got a little bit gutted. I had some issues with a aftermarket sunroof, which I had to delete. So that's the outcome. I got seats, steering wheel, the basic stuff, shifter, extension, boost gauge, cob access port, a few other electrical bits that I've done. JDM doubled in up top. It's got a little bit of weight reduction done. Rear seats taken out because pretty much useless, and there were a lot of weight because of the metal skeleton, so that's gone. Just basic tools for rallycross. More than enough room to fit. Extra set of wheels. All my impact stuff. The jack. Show you under the hood. I have some Cusco bits. little bit structural integrity. I got the front base also. Makes decent power. Nothing too crazy. To mention it's lowered on STI Pinks, so it gives it a good stance. Plenty of ground clearance. It's kind of rough, but definitely does the job. That's the money shot right there.